So the process where we design a new machine is, first of all, aim to give a new solution to our customers. My name is Giacomo Zanchetti. I'm working for Fimal, which is based in Fano, Italy. So we are the right suppliers because our machines are very strong, so very high durability. So it's very important to incorporate the feedback from the customer for us because we are making machine better, safer. As a vertically integrated company, Fimal has been able to supply very quick the machine to the customer. We have everything we need inside our company, so we are able to have control on our parts, on our quality. We don't have to wait for parts coming from outside. So we are proud of making machine 100% made in Italy and close to this area. Also, we taking care of the environment by this kind of supply that is very short supply chain. So it's very important to be everything connected, customers, dealers and suppliers. So we can service the North American market through our partner Taurus Craco, which can provide all the necessary spare parts and service to the customer, answer the question even in English or Spanish language, so we can cover the whole market. So our values is to give the best quality and the best price to our customers. So we are very proud of what we made.